Hi guys, and welcome back to our Basic Bisaya channel. My name's Gary.
My name is Reancy.
And in today's video, we're going to learn parts of the house.
So let's jump right in.
So the first word we're going to learn is the general word for house. So what is that one in Bisaya?
We say balay. Balay. House.
House is balay. Our next word we're going to teach you is roof. How do we say roof?
Atok. Atok. Roof.
The word for roof is atop. Moving on, we're going to have the word for garage, which is
Garahe. Garahe. Garage.
garage is garahe.
Garahe.
Our next word is the word for room in general. So what's that one?
Cuarto. Room is cuarto.
Cuarto is the word for room. So now we're going to go through and list some of the rooms in the house. And the first one is living room. So how do we say that one?
Sala. Sala. Living room. Sala.
Living room is sala. Our next room is the dining room. So how do we say that one?
Kan-anan. Kan-anan. Dining room is kan-anan.
Dining room is kan-anan. The next room in the house we're going to learn is bathroom.
Banyo. Bathroom is banyo.
Banyo is bathroom. Our next room is kitchen. How do we say that one?
Kusina. Kitchen. Kusina. Kusina. Kitchen.
Kitchen is kusina. And then the last room in the house we're going to teach you is bedroom. So how do we say that one?
We say cuarto. We also use other terms for bedroom such as hagdanan and katulgan. Higdaanan, katulgan, cuarto are used to say bedroom in Bisaya.
So guys, there's 3 different words you can use in Bisaya for bedroom. We have the most common one, which is cuarto, and then we have higdaanan, and the last one we can use is katulgan. So what's the word for toilet?
Toilet is casillas. Casillas. Toilet.
Toilet is casillas. Moving on now, we have the word for door or doorway. So what is that one?
Pultahan. Pultahan. Door.
So door is pultahan, and that could also be used for doorway. So what about the word for window? How do we say that one?
Bintana. Window is bintana.
Window, bintana. So what's the general word for upstairs?
Upstairs. Taas.
So the word for upstairs is taas. And moving on, what's the word for downstairs of the house?
Silong. Downstairs is silong.
Silong is downstairs. The next word we're going to learn is the word for floor. So how do we say that one?
Salug. Floor is salug.
Salug is floor. So we've learned floor. Now what's the word for the opposite of the floor? The ceiling.
Kisame. Kisame. Ceiling.
Ceiling is kisame. How do we say light in Bisaya?
Suga. Light is suga.
Light, suga. And moving on to our next word we're going to teach you is stairs. How do we say stairs?
Hagdanan. Stairs. In Bisaya, we say hagdanan for stairs.
Stairs is hagdanan. And the last word we're going to teach you today is the word for wall. So how do we say wall in Bisaya?
Bungbong. Wall is bungbong.
The word for wall is bung bung. So guys, that wraps up another video today. As always, we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I hope you learned something today. If you want to know parts of the house that are not included in the video, don't hesitate to put them in the comments and we'll try to cover them the next time.
And as always guys, have a great day. That's goodbye from us.
Bye!